Welcome to Vocablab. Be more specific. Here come 12 synonyms for having an argument. A quarrel. They had a bitter quarrel about the Christmas meal. A disagreement. There was a disagreement over who should pay for the turkey. Bickering. She has a habit of bickering with her brother. A debate. The cousins got into a heated debate over some political issue. A squabble. The twins were having a squabble about who was going to sit next to the tree. A fight. The family gathering turned into a massive fight about costs and responsibilities. A dispute. They have been unable to resolve their dispute over the inheritance. A difference of opinion. There was a difference of opinion about how to clean the stain on the carpet. Clash. My parents clashed with their neighbors over their Christmas lights. Blow up. Her dad blew up at her when he saw what was written on her t-shirt. Fall out. She stopped visiting the family in England after falling out with her sister. Make a fuss. He made such a fuss when I spilled a drop of wine on his shoe. These were 12 synonyms for having an argument. Do you have a personal favorite? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.